So the hero shot is a very difficult shot to get. In Hollywood movies, this is when the team's walking down the hallway, they're getting ready for battle, we look all cool, we're slow motion, look at us. That's a very tricky shot to get as a single shooter. You know, in the past, even behind the scenes shots, you see a team of people working on those. And so something I've been looking for a long time is how can I do a hero shot by myself? Lo and behold, the Fuji X-T3 can do it very well under certain circumstances. And so let me walk you through this. Now, there are other cameras that can do face detection, and what I'm talking about specifically is 120 frames per second. Even the X-T2 with this functionally capable of it, it just doesn't do it very well. You can turn face detection on the Z7 at high frame rate. It just doesn't work. The Sony cameras, you can do autofocus, but face detection gets turned off. And so what I think we have here is a perfect storm in terms of the hardware, talking about the quad processors in the X-T3 that speed up the computing power of the algorithm that's working on that face detection. We have edge-to-edge coverage in terms of focusing points. And in one of the examples, you'll see the model Morgan go from one side to the next of the frame while I'm walking backwards. The lenses also make a difference. So if you have a wide-angle lens with your Fuji X-T3, I would be really curious as to which other lenses work great. I've tested the kit lens on both the X-T2 and the X-T3. Didn't really work that well. The lens that stands out is the 16-55 2.8. For whatever reason, there's something very special about that lens in terms of its focusing speed. And in the tests that I've done, 85–90% accurate when I'm not moving ridiculously fast. So definitely usable. I have it on a Zhiyun Crane 2, which they've been on sale for a while. I got mine for, I think, $350. I think you can still get them for $400. That price fluctuates, but tremendous value. In this particular setup, you can shoot hero shots all day long, slow motion shots all day long. I think the X-T3 is pretty much going to be the new king of slow motion because of this until other camera companies catch up with the face detection. So what do you guys think about this killer feature of the Fuji X-T3? If you own the camera and you're struggling to use it, you might want to check out my free tutorial on YouTube. And you'll also be happy to know we just released the complete crash course for this camera. If you don't have one, I'm giving one away in a contest right now. Check that out as well. In any event, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.